As you guys already know, IBA test is here in a few days and I'll be sharing some of the tips and tricks that might help you before the test. First, let's go over the paper pattern. The test contains two sections, the math section and the English section. So both English and math sections has 45 MCQs. English section is 60 minutes long, the math section is 90 minutes long. So basically for the math section you have 2 minutes per MCQ and for the English section you have 1.3 minutes per MCQ. There's no negative marking. So even if you don't know the answer to a question, just make an educated guess because there's a 25% chance that you might get it right. The night before the exam, make sure to get a proper sleep of 7 to 8 hours at least. Revise all the formulas and make sure to go through a mock exam once. Do not open groups or resort to learning any new topics before the exam. Reach 30 minutes early so that you have ample amount of time to navigate through the campus. There are some questions that will take longer time to attempt than others, so don't waste your time on those questions by solving them entirely and just use the trial and error method. You don't have to score full in order to get in. Few questions should not affect your next section. Good luck for the exam and do follow, share and subscribe to User.